Here we come to the elevators at the Kim Sun restaurant in Houston, Texas. These are Schindler 338, and it's gonna be an updated take on these elevators. Music is playing, so we're gonna have to get in quick before I get copyrighted. But anyways, I haven't seen this thing in a long while. Two. Sorry, let's go down to one. All right, let's close the door quick. Schindler. All right, let's send this up and get the other elevator car. Anyways, I'm gonna have to mute. So when we get in the other elevator car, I will unmute. All right, I think this one doesn't have a fan, so we're gonna hear the motor on this one. All right, let's wait for it. Indicator is completely burned out on this elevator car. There's a desk right here, so we're gonna go back down and end the video from there. All right, that's gonna be it. I'm gonna stop the video from here.